Are you looking for 3 meals that are cheap, easy, around 300 calories, and 18 grams of protein or more? Here's 3. Let me share some information with you about 3 of my favorites.
Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share the video if appropriate.
The first one is the Lean Cuisine Lasagna with meat sauce. It has layered pasta with seasoned meat, tomato, reduced fat mozzarella cheese. All this for 320 calories and 18 grams of protein. It's easy to fix. You just leave the film on top, put it in the microwave for about 4 minutes, take the lid off or take the film off and cook it for another 2.5 minutes. There's a list of ingredients in there and the warnings that it does contain wheat, milk, and soy ingredients. This is what the product looks like after it's cooked. It has a really nice, rich sauce. It doesn't taste watery. The noodles are not too hard. They are sometimes a little bit undercooked, so you want to make sure to let it stand after you take it out of the microwave. Let's see what it looks like on the inside a little bit, as best as I can. But if you like Italian food and like lasagna, this is a good option for about 300 calories. Next up is Chicken Parmesan or Chicken Parmesan, whichever way you say it. It's a breaded white meat chicken patty and spaghetti with a chunky tomato basil sauce, and I can really taste the basil in there. It's pretty good. It comes in a little package that you cook for 4 minutes on high. You take the film off, stir the pasta up, recover it, cook it for another 2.5 minutes. It's 310 calories and 18 grams, and there's a list of ingredients. It's pretty small on this one. This is what it looks like coming out of the microwave, and we'll get a little close-up of that. This one's really good if you like chicken parmesan like I do. The meat patties used to be a little spongy, but they've improved the texture of them now, and the white stuff you see on top is some mozzarella cheese that's on top. They kind of get stirred in when you stir the noodles in between the cooking times. This is what the chicken patty looks like on the inside, but it's nice, has a nice clean tomato sauce. Last up is meatloaf with mashed potatoes, and as we all know, meatloaf can be really great or it can be really awful. This one is a pleasant surprise. It's meatloaf with red skin mashed potatoes with the skins in there, and there's a gravy. This one comes in at a very low 240 calories and provides a 20 grams of protein. It comes in a package like the other ones. You cook it for 4 minutes, stir the potatoes, recover, cook it for another 1.5 minutes. There's the ingredient list. This one surprised me because I wasn't really expecting a good flavor, but this one has little bell peppers in the meatloaf sauce, or the meatloaf gravy as they're calling it, that are really quite tasty. This is what it looks like. I filmed this one so you can see the heat and the steam. This one's really good. That's what it looks like on the inside. So you can see it's a pretty thick chunk of meat, and it looks like real meat and looks like real potatoes. One thing that Lean Cuisine says is they don't put any kind of preservatives in their dinners. So I highly recommend these. I encourage you to give them a try. They're easy to take to work. They're easy when you don't have the resources to cook, and they're pretty cheap.
Thanks again for watching my video. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share the video. Until next time, bye-bye.